Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Ramadan series. 3 to 4 days left for Ramadan, and it is the last week of Shaban. In next week, you will already be in Ramadan. So may Allah accept every effort we make to reach Ramadan and bless us with barakah, afia, and abundance. So let's get started. Being weekend, I think we should invest our time in sitting with our family and planning out things for the whole month of Ramadan that will enhance our connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's involve our children and family members in planning each and everything, right from Salah routine, Quran reminders, Sadaqah reminders, community service, and every act that incurs Allah's blessings. Okay, don't forget about digital detox. In quality family time, have discussions that include Salah routines, and we have to nudge each other for Salah. If you are done with first Salah, if that means it has fallen into place, we need to start with Sunnah and Nafil. Similarly, if we are done with for focusing on tajweed, recitation, memorization and reflection on the Holy Quran. Similarly, a Sadaqah jar at home and with an intention, you are just dropping just 1 rupee as well. That will definitely create space in our minds that we need to give something. Sorting out things and keeping things ready to give it to someone who is in need, it's best act of service. What do we need to cook? Are we going extravagantly in something or spending lavishly on something? Then putting a constant check. Let me remind that Ramadan is all about self-restraint, self-control and patience, and also compassion. Let's empathize with those who don't eat full meal even once in a day. So we need to teach our children and remind ourselves, are we exceeding the limit? Are we spending and thinking in mizan, that is balance, and many such things that come across. So now it is weekend. Even let's spend some time, if you can create a corner, if you can create a corner that is very peaceful, so that you can sit there, offer namaz peacefully, reflect on the Quran, then just go for it and try to create such spaces that will actually build up that energy, that environment. So let's invest our time making an intention tomorrow and working with all our energy, with the entire family, right from the cleansing activities to getting things done for Ramadan, inshallah. Wish you all the best, and may all of us enter Ramadan peacefully, gracefully, in the way Allah likes us to enter.